Hello and welcome to our Mach Masterpieces of the Week for March 25th. This week I have combed through and found some great designs, and with the permission of the designers I have brought them all together for you to enjoy. To begin, we have the Daredevil Red Rod by Ian Ying. I am not a motorhead, but this car is insanely detailed. He has done a terrific job of capturing every single little tiny detail of this, from the grill to that amazingly sculpted engine that just looks like it could rip this car down the street so fast and burn those tires up like crazy. Speaking of those huge fat back tires, wow, this thing is awesome. He has done a great job not only with capturing the details but capturing the shaping of it and putting in a fully detailed interior with that beautifully chromed stick shift. Ian definitely did an amazing job on this car, and he completely deserves all the accolades he is getting for it. Next, we move on to a vehicle with another huge engine, but for a completely different purpose. This is again a Lego Ideas from Alexander Rossier, his Bison X build. Again, an amazing feat. I think any Technic collector would love to have this in their collection. It is a fully functioning machine with the plow and the tine forks moving up and down. Of course, those tracks easily handle any snow, and the shaping of this is really amazing. He has just captured the feel of this machine, and you can imagine it tackling the slopes on any huge mountain with ease. Now we're moving on to vehicles with an engine of a different variety, with the Dockyard by Arjun Audkot. This build, I think, is really great, and the fact that from a distance you wouldn't even be able to tell that this was Lego. The only thing that gives it away is his using the studs for the water. I am really impressed by the fact that it honestly looks like a working dockyard. He's done a great job of capturing the feel. He's got dock workers there, the ship's in different conditions, and those ships are, again, just amazingly shaped. He's got a loading yard where the train comes in to load and unload. Just by the looks of it, you can tell that this dockyard is definitely a bustling, busy place with lots going on, and he has captured the essence of that perfectly. Also, he has integrated lights into it, so at nighttime you can see the dockyard all lit up. Now we move on to a waterway of a different type. We have the London Eye and the County Hall by Rocco Butler, built upon the Thames. The London Eye is really an amazing build here. He has done a great job of shaping that into a perfect circle and adding in the passenger pods on the outside. To think that this is a micro scale build and that he has been able to put so much detail in that county hall is really amazing. There is so much architecture and fine detail on that building, and he has been able to capture the essence of that. He's also put a little park to the side, and as you cross the bridge, you come to see Big Ben and the Palace of Westminster and Westminster Abbey. So this is obviously part of a much larger build, and I am really looking forward to see what he puts over there in that empty spot. From the Westminster Abbey, we go to another micro build of the Manila Cathedral by Gerald Cacus. Again, he's been able to capture so much detail in micro scale, but really amazing is the fact that when you pull off the roof, he has been able to integrate a fully detailed interior. I have seen a lot of micro builds, and I don't think I have seen anybody be able to pull off an interior at that scale. So Gerald has done something that is truly unique with this, and I am really amazed he was able to do it so convincingly. And as well, he has detailed the exterior of the building very well, including those windows and the foliage, and also that dome is very well executed. From the very small to the massively huge Mach of the Dragon's Wrath by Marshall Stoneman. I could talk about this build for a long time. Wow. Everything is just perfect. Using the tires on the joints and the neck, and look at that tail. Tires all the way along. This is really being able to take parts and use them in a completely unique way. And also that fire, which is lit internally, I don't think I have seen anything done like that. I really feel bad for that poor knight who has decided to wake up the dragon by poking it. I don't think he's going to be lasting very long. Just a great job overall by Marshall. I don't think I have seen anything like that. And I think this is going to be one of those ones that gets looked at for years. And very coincidentally, Cesar Corvus Ariac completed his chapel and graveyard this week, so we know the fate of the poor knight who decided to poke the dragon. Cesar has done it again, making a great atmosphere for his build. He is terrific at being able to shape things and being able to set the scene. In this one, he's included a graveyard, or grave that's still open, the dead tree, and the weeping angel, and the shape that he did on the bell was just perfect. Just another fantastic piece from Cesar. And with that, we shall put our list to rest. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget we have a Patreon account if you wish to support us that way. And also, we have our hashtag PlayWellBricks1000 contest where you can win a $100 Canadian Lego gift card and a VIP set. Have a great day. Join us next week. Keep dreaming in bricks. Bye-bye.